Trunks of these trees. Here and there you may see some shoots coming out of the ground. Fire actually came up over that ridge and down into the grove that you see in the background. We didn't do any repairs at all to that grove because they were younger, smaller trees, and we thought that they would be able to come out of it on their own. And then on these bottom block here where you see the whitewashed and stumped trees, these were taken down in January, and the hope was that they would come back with new growth. And as you can see, we're getting a lot of activity and we're pretty excited about it. Could eclipse $10,000. We're not going to be able to even replant until next year, and then you're looking at a solid 3 years before you get your first crop, and it's going to be on the smaller side, and really, you know, probably 5 to 6 years before we're back into full production. It's going to be like a decade-long project just to get back to where we were before the fire.